Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. It is getting much warmer this side, guys. It is getting much warmer and everyone's excited, everyone's out there, people are starting to do whatever that they want to do. Ewe kaloku sasephezulu indaba Makwela number 5 Musa Mseleku ebethunana. People are saying ukubana they think this was the last time Makwela has ever smiled and looked this much happy, because abantu bayatsho ukubana maybe it is the way of being the fifth wife, a new mother. You still have to work and still have to do everything else. And yes, motherhood can be such heavy burden, because it's your first time and you've got the whole bunch other things to do. You are a new wife, you've got high expectations, like there's so much on your hand at the moment. So abantu bayatsho nje ukubana ayi uMakwela, she looks like, I know this the bag that she thought she was settling of being the fifth wife of Musa Mseleku. She thought ukubana everything was going to be running smoothly. Kanti hi. It is not what it seems. This is where they say that says ukubana not everything that glitters is gold, guys. Not everything that looks shiny, not everything that pazima like a diamond, it is actually a diamond. So she thought like she was going to live her best life and hi, no, there's a whole lot of things that you need to do. Akuyona a soft life that you just live kanjalo nje. So abantu bayatsho nje, we know ukubana uMakwela, she is a quiet person. She wasn't out there even before the season 8 of Uthando Nestembu. Even before she was introduced, not a whole lot of people knew her. So which maybe she is just continuing being discreet as she was before all the show. Let us know. Let me know what do you guys think about Umakwela being in. Yes, let me know, guys. What do you guys think about Umakwela nje? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.